Hello, welcome. Today I am here with my Allure beauty box. Allure beauty box is a monthly subscription box, and for $15 a month you get some full, some travel sized, mostly travel sized items that are guaranteed to be $50 to $90 in value. Inside every box is a little mini magazine with editorial write-ups by beauty editors from Allure magazine, I guess, telling you about the products that they have tested already, what they think about them, and also most of the products will also have some kind of promo code included in the mini magazine. So let's open it up and see what we have in here this month. The first thing that I see is the Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. Is a balm that you can use obviously on your lips, but also on your hands or dry patches of skin. A balm needs to be multi-purpose. You can use it basically anywhere. This one has almond and castor seed oil, beeswax, and a citrusy smell from orange peel oil. Yeah, you can use it on any rough patches or dry spots, and also obviously on your lips if that's your need. And wintertime, that is a need for many of us, so not at all shocking. That's a really good product to have in the winter. The next thing I see is a Kate Somerville. Oh, this is a favorite product of mine actually. The Exfolikate Extensive Exfoliating Treatment by Kate Somerville. I had a full size of this and I was so sad when I ran out. I had some other exfoliators that I wanted to try, give a chance to, but this is definitely a favorite of mine. It's a grainy paste. You could use it as a mask, more of a scrub and a peel. It has more of a chemical exfoliant properties to it, but it's also textural slightly. It does literally everything that can be exfoliated, and it has a pleasant tingliness to it also that I really enjoyed, honestly. And it smells so good. It's a really herbal smell, which I super enjoyed. This, if you've never tried this, I highly recommend it. I use a lot of products, and that one was a standout for me. This next product, the Perfect Shine Oil Mist from Nature Lab Tokyo, a hair care product. With grape stem cells and hyaluronic acid. Mist it on your hair for a mirror-like shine, or work it into your hair from the ends up, stopping about halfway up from the roots. It smooths, it should calm your flyaways, and yeah, make things shiny, because it is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist, so that makes sense. The next thing I see is Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream by Philosophy. A moisturizer, which I guess looks kind of like blueberry sorbet? Question mark? I've not used this before. It goes from a fluffy whipped texture to a watery fluid. It's very hydrating apparently. How nice. I guess that's why it's Renewed Hope in a Jar. That's up for a new moisturizer. The next item in my box is a Vitabrid C12 Tool Drop Serum. Vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, both amazing. This editor says, 2 weeks in, skin is brighter, smoother, and thoroughly moisturized with a significant change in texture. As we all know, the vitamin C is great for discoloration and promoting new collagen. And hyaluronic acid is popular moisturizer extraordinaire. I know it's a favorite of mine. I feel like it penetrates really well. Yeah. So, as you know, serum should come after cleansing, after your essence if you use one, and before your moisturizer. Oh no, it's the final item in the box, and it is a Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I'm gonna pull it out of the box. It is in the color black, because of course it is. Is it as big as this giant box would have you believe? Whoa, it really is. Ha! Look at this packaging. That is a cool wooden tube. Very nifty. Well, since I have you out of the packaging, let's see what this brush looks like. Nothing too extravagant there. Wow, okay, this giant wooden tube. Let's see what they have to say about you. Coats, lengthens, and doesn't make them droop. This is not a volumizing mascara. It gives you length and a bit of volume. It's kind of low-key. Alright. Low-key length. Got it. Cool wooden tube. Check. I see you, Tarte, with your natural beauty. The Amazonian clay will work wonders for me. Who knows? So that is everything in this month's Allure Beauty Box. My standout item? I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite, Kate Somerville. But since I already knew that before I received it, I'm gonna pick a different favorite. I'm gonna say I'm most excited to try this serum with the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Because who doesn't want to reduce signs of aging, don't be red, and brighten your skin tone? I mean, I definitely want that. So yeah, that's my pick. What is your pick for the best thing that came out of this box today? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, hit the like button, go ahead and tell your friends, click the notification if you want to know when I get more boxes. That's all. Thank you so much for opening my box with me. It was an absolute pleasure to open my box with you. And I hope I see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
For more exciting adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our lives around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Allure beauty box down at the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the circular icon of my face. Thanks for watching!